Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about what will happen if you plank every day for 1 minute. Planking is a simple yet effective exercise that targets your core muscles, and it's easy to do anywhere, anytime. So, what happens if you plank every day for 1 minute? First of all, let's talk about the benefits. Planking strengthens your core muscles, which helps improve your posture and balance. It also helps reduce back pain and improve your overall stability. Additionally, planking helps to improve your metabolism and can aid in weight loss. Now, let's get to the results. If you plank every day for 1 minute, you'll notice that your core muscles will become stronger, which means you'll be able to hold the plank for longer periods of time. You'll also start to see a difference in your posture, as your core muscles will be better able to support your spine. With time and consistency, you may even notice that you've lost some weight, as planking can help boost your metabolism. Another great benefit of planking every day is that it can help reduce stress and anxiety. As you hold the plank position, you're also focusing on your breathing, which can help calm your mind and reduce stress levels. It's important to note that planking alone won't give you a six-pack. However, when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise, planking can help you achieve a stronger, more defined core. So, if you're looking for an easy yet effective way to improve your core strength, posture, and reduce stress, try planking every day for 1 minute. It's a small investment of time that can yield big results. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to my channel for more health and fitness tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.